Hello everyone, my name is Mirza Dwindika. Today, I would like to tell you about my hometown, Pamulang, and why I love it so much. Pamulang is a remarkable place because of its dynamic youth energy, vibrant street culture, and strong community spirit. Today, it has transformed into a bustling hub for creative student ideal business such as independent local clothing brands. This energy flows naturally into Pamulang's famous social space, which feature endless rows of modern aesthetic coffee shops. On weekend nights, these hangout places come alive with the sound of indie music as a student gather to discuss everything from university projects to martial arts. What undercovers this lively atmosphere is our passionate community spirit. This is beautifully demonstrated by active youth organizations like our local taekwondo clubs who decided who dedicate their weekends to leadership training. Ultimately, it is this combination of youth innovation, cozy cafes, and supportive community that makes Pamulang an exciting hometown. Thank you.